Hey, it's me Isa and welcome back to my channel. So for today's vlog, we're finally unboxing Dean Espresso Essenza Mini in collaboration with Cara Ferrani. So the box just arrived yesterday from Spain because I bought it from Kicks and Stuff on Instagram, and I was so excited to unbox it yesterday na sana to make coffee because it's Friday. You know what Friday means. It's binge watching time, puyat time, movie marathon time, Netflix time, K-drama, BTS time for me. And coffee really keeps me awake all night. As in, like, I love that me time on weekends. I binge watch until 5 to 6 a.m. And ngayon ko pala siya ma-unbox. So I'm so excited. So please stay tuned and please unbox with me. I ordered Starbucks coffee capsules from Kicks and Stuff, Italian style roast, and home blend. I also have the Erocino 3 of Cara Ferrani as well. It's an Erocino 3. It's pink! I really don't have favorite color, but I'm attracted to pink. Yeah. I like pink. I like blue. Any colors. Basta parang maganda tingnan. Before deciding to buy this, may pinagpipilian akong machine. Either itong Nespresso or yung mini espresso machine ng Moon ata, hindi ako sure sa brand. Pero basing on my personality kasi, parang ano lang ako, magaling lang ako sa simula. Kung sa Bisaya pa, mayor ako sa sugod. I have that tendency na, kunwari sa espresso machine, parang feeling ko magaling lang ako sa simula. Like, gagamitin ko pa siya, hindi ako tatamarin. Pero in the long run, parang after 3 months or so, feeling ko tatamarin ako. Hindi ko na siya masyado magamit. Whereas, itong Nespresso machine, it's easier to use and hindi siya time consuming. So, mas pinili ko na lang yung Nespresso machine. And timing na nakita ko to sa vlog ni Ray Hermar, na meron na kasi siyang Nespresso machine. Pero, itong Nespresso ni Cara Ferrani, sa kanya ko to nakita. And talaga sinearch ko to and sinearch ko sa YouTube. And wala pa masyadong mga Pilipino kasi na nag-review. O hindi ko lang alam. Puro foreigners yung nakita ko. So, I got attracted. Kaya, naghanap ako ng mga stores na nagbebenta ng Cara Ferrani na Nespresso machine. And sold out na kasi siya sa Nespresso na website. Wow, it's so cutie. So cutie. Cute. Ito siya. Before kasi, nag-work ako sa Krispy Kreme for 5 months. And tinrain kami kung paano gumawa ng coffee, paano gamitin yung espresso machine. So, parang na-miss ko yun. Kaya medyo parang nagdadalaw isip ako sa kung Nespresso or yung espresso machine. Nespresso mug. Cutie. Another cutie stuff. last stage. Then Espresso Essenza Mini. Wait. Open ko muna to. So, we have 14 pieces of 14 capsules, coffee capsules. Sorry. Nasira na to. Yeah, freebies. 14 different coffee capsules from Nespresso. And then, finally, the Essenza Mini of Nespresso. So this is the Nespresso Chiara Ferragni mug, the Aerochino 3. It's like a frother lang naman. And the Nespresso Essenza Mini. This is the water tank, the drip tray, and the drip grid. The used container, used capsule container, and where you put your capsules. So we have two buttons, the espresso and the lungo button. Espresso has more bold and concentrated flavor. It has less water din, and ano pa ba? The extraction time is lesser, or it would take 20 to 30 seconds lang compared sa lungo button. Ang lungo, which means long in Italian, so meaning it would take about a minute to pull, and it is more bitter than the regular espresso. So the shots takes longer to pull, and the longer time affects the extraction of the ground. So mas madami siyang caffeine, and mas madami din yung water niya. Tapos, so mas madami siyang napoproduce na shot ang lungo button. And same lang sila na may 3 parts ng espresso, but the espresso has more crema and the lungo has lesser crema. So yun lang yung difference nila. So happy. So that's it for today. That's it for my vlog, and thank you for watching, guys. See you on my next vlog. Bye.